Here's a kinesiology taping technique for the IT band. And for this, we're using Tiger Tape kinesiology tape. We need 2 medium length eye strips. You'll see I've rounded off the corners. A lot of what we do with kinesiology tape is to ensure that the tape stays on there and doesn't come off prematurely. So we'll begin with the first strip. What we're looking to do is relieve particularly that lateral femoral condyle. You might have heard of IT band syndrome, which is caused by a bit too much tightness in the ITB, and it can rub on the lateral femoral condyle. We've got the head of the fibula just there. You can see it, you can feel it. Just superior to that, lateral tibial condyle, and just across that knee joint, we've got lateral femoral condyle there. So that's the point we need to make sure we cross over with the tape. So let's tear the backing paper about 1 inch from the end. Peel off the rest slowly so we don't get any creases or crimps. And we're going to hold that down about 1 inch from the end. Apply 75% stretch, and we're going in the direction of the IT band here. Once that's on, we can smooth over that top anchor point under 0 stretch, and we can do the same thing in peeling off the backing paper for the more distal portion of that strip. Give it a quick rub to heat the adhesive to get it to stay on for longer. Second strip, you can go that way, you can go that way. The most important thing is that we cover that lateral femoral condyle. Tear the backing paper 1 inch from the end, slowly peel off. I'm going to go for this approach just here, lateral femoral condyle, just to remind myself where it is just there. So we're going to go 75% stretch. Make sure that top anchor goes on with 0 stretch. Peeling the backing paper off. Same thing for the distal anchor. Try and get it on with no creases or crimps, so it's going to help the tape stay on longer. Fold the backing paper up and give it some friction to heat the adhesive to get it to stay on for longer. So that's a kinesiology taping technique for the IT band.